The U.S. Supreme Court ended a decades-long policy of allowing consideration of race in college and university admissions by a 6-3 vote Thursday.
So they're talking.
In a case brought by the group Students for Fair Admissions, who accused Harvard University and the University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill of discriminating against students based on race. President Joe Biden said the decision should not change the goal of equality in higher education.
They should not abandon their commitment to ensure student bodies of diverse backgrounds and experience that reflect all of America.
But for many advocates, some of whom say they were personally impacted by affirmative action, the decision is welcome.
The color of your skin should have nothing to do about it. So, if colleges continue to judge applicants based in part on their racial demographics, we are becoming a less just country and a more prejudicial country.
Affirmative action, a policy of considering the racial and ethnic backgrounds of students applying for higher education, has been in place since the 1960s. The goal had been to boost the chances of admission for students whose racial or ethnic background has left them with fewer opportunities for a good education. Analysts tell VOA the decision will have an immediate impact.
We can expect to see about a 10% drop in Black and Hispanic enrollment at the most highly selective institutions in the country, the types of institutions that would consider race because they're engaging in sort of a competitive application.
In the majority opinion, Chief Justice John Roberts said, eliminating racial discrimination means eliminating all of it. Supporter of Supreme Court decision, Jesse Park.
It's a fair outcome to have a equal consideration for every student, regardless of race.
But the 3 justices in the minority said ending race-based admissions would increase inequality. One Harvard University graduate testified to the Supreme Court that racial identity cannot be removed from a student's life experience.
I would not have been able to tell the full story of who I am without the context of race and ethnicity. And I'll add on as well that I feel a really deep sense of pride in who I am as a Chinese American, as an Asian American. I think that's an important part of my story.
In a June 2023 Yahoo News YouGov poll, 41% of Americans surveyed said they supported colorblind admissions policies. Katherine Gypson, VOA News, Washington.